Study of diffusion pairs in the metallic alloy systems. By Yuri Ustinovshikov. The development of human civilization is inconceivable without progress in the advancement of its material base, in which metals and metal alloys play one of the leading roles. The article is a collection of ideas and experimental results that unequivocally indicate that modern ideas about metallic alloys should go away to the history of alloys. Here the results of experiments obtained on 3 binary 1 ternary alloys have been presented. In this article, 3 binary alloys Ni75 Mo25, Fe50 Cr50, and Ni88 Al12, as well as to ternary Ni65 Mo20 Cr15 and Ni53 Mo35 Al12 alloys as examples have been considered. Here, 26 binary and 7 ternary alloys, some examples of which are given in this article, have been studied. It was noted that to obtain true alloys, one should avoid not only adding a large number of alloying components, usually more than 2, but also adding a small amount of any component, usually 3% or less. With such alloying, one must proceed from the principle that the amount of the alloying component would be enough to form diffusion micropairs in the alloy, i.e. so that particles containing this component formed. Briefly, the main conclusions of the experiments are as follows. Interatomic chemical interactions exist in all metal alloys at temperatures of both solid and liquid states. Chemical bonds in alloys have an amazing property to change their sign at a certain temperature. There is a phase transition, ordering, separation. The reason for this transition is the electronic transition, ionic bond left and right arrow covalent bond. The process of formation of new phases in binary alloys begins with the formation of atom clusters, in ternary alloys with the formation of diffusion micropairs during the melting of an alloy. Such cardinal differences between the existing now notions about the nature of alloys and those revealed in this work should definitely lead to changes in the technology of heat treatment of alloys, to changes in the binary phase diagrams, and to a change in the principles of creating new alloys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.